How to log in BOB World. In order to log into BOB World Bank online, simply open a default web browser in a device. Search for BOB World Bank online login. Then you can tap on the link that says BOB World Internet Banking. You'll be taken to the home page of the BOB World Bank. In this login page, you'll find a login button on the top right side of the screen. Tap on it and further select BOB World Internet Banking. You'll be taken to the login page and enter your user ID in the user ID section. Then select the language you're familiar with and tap on login. There are other options too, like unlock user ID, reset as security answers, and so on. If for some reason you forgot your password or username, you can tap on the respective links as well. And in this way, you'll be able to log into BOB World Bank online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.